Welcome to class number 3. Today we're going to talk about what happens when you drink too much water and how much water you should really be taking in during a water fast. This will be a very quick video, but let's get to it. So, how much water should you be drinking? This is an individually answered question since you should really only be drinking when you're thirsty. Make sure you drink at least half a gallon of water a day. Most people average between 1 and 1.5, and you'll be perfectly fine. Just drink when you're thirsty, and the first 3 days of a fast, drink when you're hungry also. Now, what happens when you drink too much water? A lot of people worry about this. It's called hyponatremia. Some people call it water intoxication. And what basically happens is if you take too much water in too quickly, it dilutes your body's cells and the sodium content drops down. This can cause some pretty weird, sick feelings, headache, nausea, vomiting. You can even have seizures, drop into a coma, or die from too much water. However, it's almost impossible to do on accident. The reason for this is simple. You can drink a full liter and process a full liter of water per hour. The human body is a machine. So most of the people that actually drink too much water are like marathon runners or somebody that's working out in the heat and just pounding water back, like trying to drink a half a gallon at once or something, thinking they've sweat too much water out. It's a very dangerous mindset. As a water faster, you're not going to even come close. So it's not something you should concern yourself with. Just go right ahead and drink water whenever you're thirsty. And I look forward to seeing you in the next class.